Hello, my name is Acton, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, we're going to talk about how to set up your lawnmower for repair. Essentially, if you need to change your blades, drain your oil, or clean your deck, this is how you want to set it up. Now, the first thing we should all know is that never, ever, ever tip your lawnmower onto its side, like this. Or never, ever tilt it up like this for repair. Because if you have fluids such as gas and oil in your lawnmower, that fluid is going to drain into your cylinder and you're going to vapor lock your lawnmower, which means the cylinder is full of oil or full of gas and it's not going to pull over anymore. Worse yet, you're going to mix gas with your oil, you're going to thin out the oil, and you're not going to have enough lubrication for your engine to run. So, the easiest way to do this if you're at home is find something to tilt it back with. Either a fence or a porch. Simply tilt your lawnmower back like this and wedge the handle like that so it's nice and secure, and then do whatever necessary repairs that you need to do. What also works well is a bungee cord. Find something to bungee cord your lawnmower to, hook it on the handle, find something to keep it down with. What helps even more than that is having a friend hold it for you while you're doing the repairs. Just make sure they don't drop it on your head. Now, we actually have a lawnmower set up on a table, bungee cord, the correct way, tilted back, to show you how to do these things, such as change your oil, or drain your oil, clean your deck, or change your blade.